Hi, Chris Emery, General Manager at Murray Honda here. If you've driven past Murray Honda recently, you could be forgiven in thinking that the dealership was closed. Why? Take a look around. We've got big construction, we've got fences, we've got sea cans out front, but I assure you, I'm here to tell you today that we are definitely open for business, and we are actually surprisingly busy, both in our service and parts departments as well as our sales department. Right, Danny?
Right.
Yeah, we've got Danny and Brady. Brady's our sales manager here at the dealership, and we're here to serve you. But what I wanted to do today, you know, this COVID-19 has been such a terrible thing nationwide, but we're trying to take the one kind of positive that we can do out of this, and we've chosen this time now, during the pause, to do a really, really big renovation at the store. So come on down, let me show you a couple of things. Now, we're not allowed to go inside, but take a look. If you've been to Murray Honda before, you'll see things are a little different right now. We're just getting ready to lay tile, get our reception area all done up. We're renovating upstairs too, putting in a new boardroom, and then the most exciting thing is our customer lounge, which you're gonna love when you come and visit us, just round the corner over there. Pretty big job, but you know, the worst is behind us. We've done all of the jackhammering and nasty stuff back in the month of April. So we're really excited to share the results with you very, very soon. Let's go take a look at some pictures. These are some of the plans for the new renovation. In particular, have a look at our customer lounge. It's going to be just gorgeous with this waterfall wall, and then lots of glass and glazing. Our new coffee stations over here. Beautiful parts department, reception area, and service. This is just a little taste, so I can't show you very much, but it's going to be fantastic. We're actually ahead of schedule. That's one of the few positives about this COVID-19, and so we plan to be done pretty soon here. We're very excited. You know, it looks like we're closed, but we're certainly not. And we have some fantastic deals on right now. You know, we're doing some renovation specials, and on top of that, Honda has come with their support during a very, very tough time, with 180 days of no payments available on all Honda vehicles, 2019s, 2020s. So come down and visit us. Thanks so much for spending some time, and we look forward to seeing you soon in our beautiful renovated facility.